Hello friends, I am Sudipta and this is Coding Knowledge. We have already learned arithmetic operator, relational operator and even assignment operator, and today we are going to learn logical operator. So what are they? You can see I have already said it in classification of operators in C that logical operators are AND, which is double ampersand, OR, which is double pipe sign, and not sign. We will do or we will learn it through a programming. Now you can see I am writing a program. Just keep watching. I have declared three variables a, b and c, and I will take inputs for a, b, c from the user. So that's why I have written message to the console that enter the first number, enter the second number and enter the third number, and we scan or take the input using scanf a, b and c. And now we are going to do the conditional statements using logical operators. Now what I am doing, you can see that if in bracket we are writing the condition as a greater than b and a greater than c. So we are using double ampersand to reflect the AND operator. So if a greater than b and a greater than c, if both condition will true, then only the statement will be printed that %d is greatest, means we will print a is greatest. So we have to give comma a. Now I am writing else if b greater than a and b greater than c. So if b will greater than a and greater than c, so obviously b is the greatest. So I have written %d is greatest in else if conditional statement. And else if a is not greater than b and c, b is not greater than a and c, then only it is possible that c is the greatest. So I will write b else printf % is greatest, means, and I will print c in the place of %d. Now I am going to compile it. If you find any error, you can comment me in the comment section. I am mentioning that there is some error. So what are the error, you have to find out before you see the compilation. If you want, you can write what error I have done. You can write in the comment section. Now I am going to compile. Now you can see that the compiler is giving error. So you can easily note that I have not mentioned any main function. So it is must that you have mentioned a main function which program whatever you are running. And now there is another compilation error that I have not given any semicolon. Now there will be a confusion that what if in bracket a greater than b and a greater than c is returning, why it is being true. So I have already said in previous video that logical operators return us two values only, 0 or 1. What is 0 or 1? 0 means false and 1 means true. So if a greater than b and a greater than c will return a value, we can store it in another variable. So I have declaring here a integer value d, because 0 and 1 is also integer value. So I have written d equal to a greater than b and a greater than c. So what will d print, we will see here. Now I am compiling, and now if we run, and if the first number is 56 and the second number is 32 and third is 24, so 56 is greatest, and you can see as a is greatest, so it is printing 1. So d value is actually 1. So what is it returning, a greater than b and a greater than c? 1. And if I give the numbers 63, 98 and 25, you can see a is not greatest here, b is greatest. So that's why d equal to a greater than b and a greater than c is returning 0, means false. Now we can see what OR operator do, but it is your homework. You can use OR operator in the position of AND. So if I remove AND and give two pipe sign, it will work as OR operator. So what OR operator will do, if any of the condition will true, then the if condition will be executed and statement under the if conditions will execute. And if two statements are true under, or two condition is true under if statement, so then the statement under if conditional statement will be run. And if two conditions both are false, then it will not run the statement under if condition. That is for today. I hope you learn about logical operator, and if you want to learn other operators, you can see my previous video. I will give the link in description. Thank you very much.